So in all, Retail Daddy is a complete package.
I am the only person in India giving 5-year warranty for my printers.
So Mr. SHIBIN, for such a heavy duty retail software,
Yes.
is there a configuration? What about the hardwares required for billing? Do you have any?
My testing is very hard. Like even manufacturer will not test like that.
So in all, Retail Daddy is a complete package.
Yes. That's the reason Retail Daddy name.
Tell me one small thing. Why did you bring out with such a unique name? Nobody will forget it.
Yes, nobody will forget
Yes.
it. See, when I was traveling in Goa,
Okay.
I find a lot of Casanovas there in Goa.
Yes.
So when I reached to home, I asked my friends, tell me one name of one Casanova which you remember. They give the name Big Daddy.
Big Daddy.
There's so many Casanovas
Yes,
there.
yes.
We go in multiple Casanovas, but Big Daddy name they remember.
Yes.
And when I came to office one day, I asked my team, which is the best server provider or hosting provider or domain provider in India?
Yes.
Multiple people, they give answer, GoDaddy.
Yes.
So that's the reason I think that my software name should be Retail Daddy.
It's very unique. It's very catchy.
Yes.
Once someone hears it, they will never forget it.
Yes, of course.
That's a very good thing. Very good. Very good. Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
making such a good product. So, Mr. SHIBIN, for such a heavy duty retail software,
Yes.
is there a configuration of computer that is to be or is necessary for someone to work on this?
See, Retail Daddy can install in any computer, no issues.
Okay.
But I will suggest some requirements to my customers because in my office, 100 plus computer are there. I purchase one specific configuration.
Okay.
If you purchase that configuration, the price will be very less.
Okay.
Performance will be very high.
Okay.
That's the reason. I will give you that configuration.
Yes.
i3 or i5 processor. Don't go for latest generation.
Okay.
Go for 4th generation or 5th generation.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
And hard disk,
Yes.
like SSD you install, not HDD. SSD hard disk.
Okay.
Pricing is almost the same. When you go for SSD hard disk, go for only Kingston brand.
Okay. Kingston. Yes.
Because when you install cheap brand hard disk, maybe you will get multiple, crashes of Windows or something like that. There is millions of files are rewriting when you are operating the system. We don't know, but in the backend it is working.
Okay.
So Kingston hard disk is more better. You will not face any reinstallation or formatting issue in your PC.
Or crashing.
Yes.
Yes.
And 4 GB or 8 GB RAM
Okay.
you can install, and compatible motherboard you can install.
Okay.
And Windows 10 Pro Edition is much better.
Okay.
When you are purchasing the new computer, the Home Edition is normally there, and we will think that it is licensed version, something like that. We will keep it, but there is ton of features are there in the Home. In the Pro Windows 10 Pro.
Yes.
So better install Windows 10 Pro.
Okay. That's nice.
Normally this is best configuration.
Okay. All right.
And one more thing I want to inform you, very important, the clock speed.
Okay.
For example, the gigahertz you will find.
Yes. Gigahertz.
2 gigahertz, 3 gigahertz, like that. Like 1 giga, laptops and all, why it is running slow means, you will see i5 processor there. You will see SSD there. But the gigahertz may be 1.2. That's the reason laptops are running very slowly, the clock speed. Like you can purchase like that clock speed like above 3.5 or 4
Okay.
is more better.
Okay. Faster.
Yes, more faster.
Okay.
Multiple transaction, the accounting purpose, everything will work very fastly if you use clock speed. The gigahertz is more.
Okay. All right. So this is about the computer,
Yeah.
right? So this is a configuration which is the most optimal
Yes.
for the usage.
Yeah.
So now I got a question. Now this is about the Retail Daddy software, which
Yes.
you are known for.
Yeah.
What about the hardwares required for billing? Do you have any?
Yes, I have some suggestions.
Okay.
Because in Indian market, there is lot of hardwares are available.
Yes.
Like people, they will go for, there is a thermal printer with 2,000 rupees. I will not suggest that one because no, that will work that much only. I have experience because whatever the hardware is coming or available in the Indian market, all hardwares you can find in my office.
Huh.
I purchase all the hardwares not for selling, for testing purpose.
Okay.
Because when my customers they are suggesting this, can I purchase this one? Before I want to say yes, I want to check it.
Yes.
That's the reason I have this much of customers are there. Whatever the new brand is coming, I will purchase it. I will not consider about money,
Okay.
and I will test in my office.
Okay.
My testing is very hard. Like even manufacturer will not test like that.
Okay.
I will do continuous printing, maybe 3 or 4 hours.
Okay.
Let me see whether the head is heating, overheating, print quality issue is there, any other paper jam or something is there in the printers and all.
Yes.
Continuous printing. I can you can see that those videos in my YouTube channel itself, and those printer I will suggest for my customers.
Okay.
And service. The manufacturer service is available or no,
Okay.
or if even manufacturer stop the service, can I provide the service or no?
Okay.
These all things I will measure.
Okay.
And I am the only person in India giving 5-year warranty for my printers. 5-year warranty.
Wow.
Even manufacturer will not give. I ask my manufacturer that if I am taking that much quantity from you, at least I need a 5-year guarantee.
Yes.
I get a contract from them,
Okay.
and I am giving 5-year warranty for all the hardwares which I am providing. Some is removed, like some selected items,
Okay.
like TSC 244 printer, barcode printer. I am giving 5-year warranty,
Okay.
and EC post printer I am giving 5-year warranty. EC post. And RAINTECH, we have our own brand printer. We are giving 5-year warranty
Okay.
because that's thermal head is Japanese.
Okay.
That's the reason. And moreover, the quality is very good.
Okay.
And X printer, I can give 5-year warranty.
Okay.
A Red Sol bill printer, I can give a Red Sol 3-inch bill printer, I can give 5-year warranty. And some selected model barcode scanner, I can give 5-year warranty.
Okay. All right.
Some models I give even 1 year like that, because when we are going for cheap, that much quality only.
Well, yeah. Quality declines.
Yes,
True.
that's because our customers means they are genuine customers. Big shops are there. They need the billing and accounting system to be hassle free.
Yes. Yes.
This is the
That's a major concern.
major
yes.
concern what
Yes.
I am looking for.
Yes. So, Mr. SHIBIN, thank you so much for introducing us to Retail Daddy and giving us so much information, which I'm sure that our audience sitting at home can understand and probably get in touch with you if they would like to, get a hassle-free experience.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for.
Thank
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.